When you create a table in Word, you may want to format it quickly and easily. What I'm going to do here is choose the Table Tools Design tab in the ribbon. And here I have a whole gallery of table styles. Now I'd like to apply the styles to this entire table, so I'm going to click the little placeholder in the top left corner of the table. And then I'm going to go into the More button and look at all the table styles available to me. As I rest on this particular option here, I can see what that table would look like if I applied it. That table style would look like if I applied it to this table. So I'm going to choose this particular option here, and I've automatically formatted my table nice and quickly and very professional looking. The other thing to do with tables is if your data already exists in an Excel spreadsheet, you don't have to copy and paste it into Word. You can actually insert the spreadsheet data as a table in your Word document, and you can create a link between the two. So if the data changes in Excel, it automatically updates the linked table in Word. For this, I would actually click on Insert in the ribbon, and in the text group, I'd click on the button Object. Because my Excel file already exists, I'm going to choose the tab Create from File, and then I'm going to browse for that file. The file I'm after is called Excel Data, and I can see it here sitting on my desktop. So I'm going to choose this spreadsheet and choose Insert. To create a link between Excel and Word, so that if the Excel data changes, it automatically updates in Word, I'm going to tick this option, Link to File. And when I click OK, in a little amount of time, I'll have a table in my Word document that's actually getting its data from an Excel spreadsheet, and there's a link between the two in case the data changes in Excel.